I'm Piyush, we are 15CS276, and today we are going to do the second experiment of C++ lab, which is based on the concept of structures. We are going to do the first and the second question. So, the first question is create a structure of type date that contains three members, month, day of the month, and year, all of type int. Have the user enter a date in the format 12, 31 to 10, 2010, and store it in a variable of type struct data, then retrieve the values from the variable and print them out in the same format. Okay, so let's start the program with the header file hash include istream using namespace standard structure date. Here we have created a structure date of name date. Then we are initializing three variables day, month, and year of integer data type to accept the values of the days or months or year we give to the program. Then main function structure date t1 like here date t1 is the variable, date is the data type, and structure is the main header file for the structure. So first we have to enter the number of days, then print it, month print, year print, and finally we'll get the whole date in a perfect format. So let us print it and check it out. Day 12th, month 20, maybe we'll give a 9. So and year 2016 2016 12/9/2016. Okay, so we are done with this program. Now we'll go with the second program, which is to create a structure called distance. Its members are feet in type and inches in float type. That a function that takes two distances two distance values as arguments and returns the larger one. Include a main program that accepts the two distance values from the user, compares them, and displays the larger one. Okay. As mentioned in the question, we have to make a structure of name distance, and we have to use two arguments, d1 and d2. Here we have used it, d1 and d2. We'll come to data words. Let's start from the beginning. Let's start with the header file hash include istream using namespace standard structure distance. Then two functions. Here we have declared two functions in feet and float inches of type integer and float. Then the main function structure distance and d1 and d2 are the arguments. So first we are asking the program to enter the first distance in feet and inches, both the distance in feet and inches. Then here we are entering the feet and inches for the first distance, and here we are entering the feet and inches for the second distance. And then we are comparing the distances, which one is bigger, to print the larger one. So if d1 dot feet is greater than d2 dot feet, then print distance 1 is larger, else distance 2 is larger. Then it will print the value. This thing here is for the space between the feet and the inches. So let's execute the program and check it out. Okay, enter the first distance 55 feet. Okay, maybe that's too much. We'll give it 10 feet and 2.5 inches. Then enter the second distance 12 feet 6.8 inches. So the distance 2 is larger, and the distance 2 is displayed here. As you can see, 12 inches, 12 feet and 6.8 inches. So that's all for today. Hope you like it.